Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are making one pot curry chicken and rice. First, I start by boiling my chicken to get all that nasty, excess, dirty stuff off the chicken. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some peanut oil inside of my chicken and go ahead and fry that thing on up. I'm adding my seasoning, my onions, my bell peppers, my curry powder. I am adding all these ingredients. That way it can go ahead and cook. Go ahead and take a picture, mental note. These are the seasonings that you're going to need. Afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and cook it, let it just start simmering, and then I'm going to add my coconut milk and rice. And the type of rice that I use is jasmine rice, and the coconut milk gives it that flavor. And guys, you're going to love this dish. After it's done, give it about 15 or 20 minutes to go ahead and cook, and then here's your final product. Curry, chicken, and rice. Yes, guys, you're going to love this. Enjoy.